Yes, and I'm going to put up the graphic here with the points, just so you can start getting familiar with what we're going to be talking about. And so put that up now. And but just some tips to know that when you're tapping, you can you can tap on both sides of your face, one side, alternate between left and right, just whatever is comfortable and easy for you. The best practice is to use your like index and middle fingers for the tapping, but still, it's not required that that's a must for things to work out. For me, it tends to be like you're tapping for maybe 6 or 7 times per point, and just is that's how it kind of works out too, as you're saying the phrase while you're tapping.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
7ish times, and you may notice there are certain points that you're going to get to that might feel a little bit sore, and this is totally normal, and it's just it's areas that have some disharmony or discomfort in them, and so you don't have to be pounding hard, just just a gentle tapping, just enough pressure that activates those acupressure points. You're not beating yourself. You don't need to be feeling that. It's just a gentle but firm pressure on those points.